Hey everyone! It's really bright back there. Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. This camera's so weird. Anyways, hello everyone. My name is Rashmi. Please excuse this completely unglamorous, shabby, what do you call this, a look. I am recently a new business owner. I co-own my business with my business partner, who is also my best friend. We own a beauty salon and a specialty deli. Yep, all in the same building. I can promise you that was not the original plan, but a pandemic has sort of forced businesses to adapt and rethink their business models. It is quite bizarre if you think of it. Food and nails. And just like any other business, over the last 3 years, we're all on the same boat, and you either adapt and change, or you die, or you can have a lot of money, and I guess you just wait it out. I don't know. We don't. So I was previously working in finance, and I decided that it's either now or never. I moved to London, or I moved back to London about 2.5 years ago on an entrepreneur visa. I'm actually Kiwi, but I know that my accent doesn't actually sound anything like someone from New Zealand. I just haven't lived there for many years, almost a decade. That's a very short little introduction about me. I decided to kick this video off with what I get up to on my day off. I get Mondays off. It's usually just a whole bunch of cleaning, organizing, running errands, so on. So usually what people do on a Sunday is what I do on a Monday. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and do let me know what you think. This is like a lot of work, guys. You should get paid like $1 million for this, because this is no easy piece of cake. Nope. Not easy. Real.
In the air, probably won't stay friends. We both try to keep our distance. Feelings will never listen. No.
You're not leaving in like the next 45 minutes, are you?
Probably gonna leave in the next 30.
Well, I'll see you. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you too.
This could be something else. Got them feelings. Oh, why do we play these games? Why can't you feel my pain? You know I feel. I know you got them feelings too. Oh, and I know it's not just me. Takes two to level 3.
Good. You want to say hi? What would we do without you, Maureen? What would we do without you?
I care for you too much for this. So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain. About your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details.
Oh, yum.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I
Got
want.
everything
Kinda cool
in
and
order.
kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
Cheers, you guys. Mondays are my days off, so really looking forward to it. It is also my best friend's birthday today. Okay, you guys, this is what I'm wearing, which is exactly the same thing. So I did change my earrings, did a little top knot. Bye, guys.